Well, this is a very exciting day because we're starting to build the place now, having knocked it down. The local residents here in Falkirk have been really supportive of what we do, as has the council, and we really appreciate that.
We certainly do.
Yeah.
I would just say, growing up with both my grandfather and father in the business, it's very, very exciting to be a part of bringing Rosebank back to life.
Well, it's very exciting. My father joined the business in 1956. So that's 63 years ago, you know.
Yes, do you know how
just
old I am?
retired, well I know, work shy. And I joined in 1989, and Tom, you joined
Just last year.
2018. So it's really great that the three of us are still working together in the business, and to be part of this is quite fantastic.